Hi everyone, Adrian from Handy Homesteaders here. If you saw our last video, you know that we have a couple of garden tractors that we're going to be fixing up. This is one of them. This is a 1970 Sears Super 12 or Hydro-Trac 12 garden tractor. It's kind of a cool piece of equipment, made really well, and we think we can get some work out of it, so we're going to be fixing it up. It currently has an 11 horsepower engine in it. It should have a 12 horsepower engine in it, given the name Hydro-Trac 12 Super 12. Somewhere along the way, somebody did an engine swap on it and got about 85% of the way through and abandoned the project. So what we're going to do is we're going to finish hooking this engine up, get it running, make sure the transmission operates fine, and if it all pans out and all works well, we're going to be rebuilding the original 12 horsepower engine and putting it back in here. Like I said, this is a Hydro-Trac 12, meaning it has a hydrostatic transmission. What a hydrostatic transmission is, it has this lever on the side, push it forward to go forward, back to go back, and the farther you push forward or back, the faster you go. So that's how you regulate your speed and your power. You don't shift gears or anything like that. The hood is in pretty rough shape, as you can see. We're probably going to be sanding that down and painting it. But as far as everything else, we're probably going to keep this nice teal blue color. It's kind of patinaed well, so we're just going to clean it up, keep that color. Seat is going to get replaced, and just kind of go through it and make sure everything works. Our goal is to have an end product that is just usable. We want it to be able to work. So that's what we're going to do. So be on the lookout for future videos of us going through this and making it a reliable machine. See you soon.